Have you heard about gentle patches? These are the weight loss patches that promise to help you shed pounds while you sleep. No pills, no injections, no strict diets. Just stick the patch on and supposedly watch the fat melt away. Sounds amazing, right? But does it actually work? Or is it just another gimmick? Let's break it down. Gentle patches claim to work similarly to GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, but without side effects or a prescription. According to their marketing, the patch reduces cravings, speeds up fat burning, and boosts energy, all by naturally triggering GLP-1 in your body. The ingredients include things like berberine, Garcinia cambogia, cinnamon extract, green tea, B vitamins, L-glutamine, and chromium. Some of these, like berberine or green tea, do show mild weight-related benefits when taken orally. But here's the catch. There's no solid evidence that these benefits translate when absorbed through your skin. That's a big problem. There are no clinical studies, no expert endorsements, and the science behind transdermal weight loss patches is extremely weak. In fact, gentle patches appear to be just a rebrand of older patches that didn't work, using the same ingredients under a new label. They use buzzwords like melts fat while you sleep or works even if you don't diet or exercise, but these claims are marketing hype, not proven results. So, are gentle patches a scam? Not exactly. They're probably safe for most people, but they won't magically make weight disappear. At best, they offer a placebo effect or a small boost, but relying on them alone for weight loss is unrealistic. If you're looking for real results, science-backed approaches like balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and sustainable habits will always outperform any miracle patch. In short, gentle patches sell hope, not results. Use them if you want, but don't expect a magic solution.